Hey there, today I'm going to share a little known trick for downloading games that have been previously delisted from Steam. Whether they were limited time offers or special event releases, some of these games can still be accessed and claimed for completely free. Just a reminder, this is all about free games and not a loophole to download paid content for free. So let's dive in. First, open Steam and navigate to the Help section. Click on Steam Support, scroll down and use the search bar to find the game you're looking for. Click on It's Not in My Library. Since the game was originally free, Steam will add this game to your library free of cost. Now you can download the game and access the community pages and much more. You can also find a comprehensive list of these free games that were delisted from Steam, which is available in the comment section below. This method should help you claim most of the games on the list, but if you're still struggling to find a specific game, here's another method. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Paste the following code there, steam/install. Add the installation code for the game, which you can find in the comment section below. Hit enter and you'll be directed to the install page. These codes are the same codes Steam uses when you hit install on a game in your library. Some of these games are pretty neat. From prototypes to short experiences, there's plenty of fun to be had exploring these games. So check them out, they're free. If you have any questions or need assistance with the download process, drop a comment below and I'll try to help as quickly as possible. That is it for today guys, have a wonderful day as always.